I don't believe that we really need to be talking to the decision makers all that often. People put a lot more emphasis on it than I think needs to be, because nowadays everybody has a job to do. Unless you're speaking to an intern, everybody has a job to do. Everybody has a job that they want to keep secure, so they're not going to go and waste time on stuff that they don't have the authority to push through. Maybe they don't have the authority to sign the check, but they were definitely tasked uh, with the job of going to find a tool or a solution. So it's not really that important. But how you ask, like, hey, does this person need to come on, is very fragile, because you're dealing with somebody's ego, and you don't want them to feel like, yes, of course, I'm the decision maker. You never ask, are you the
can't
decision maker?
ask, yeah.
It's like, of course I'm the decision maker. So I like to do is like, hey, would it make it easier for you if we invite other people on the call so that I could answer their questions directly? Make it about them as much as possible. And that, like, you're here for them and you're working for them. It will be a lot easier and smoother of a transition. And if they say no, don't push it. Unless you really feel like, hey, this is not the right person to be talking to, then of course, they're not qualified. So you shouldn't be moving forward anyways.
Yeah.